History doesn't care about our opinions. Let's go look at some controversial planes. I promise it'll be fun. Relative. Here's, of course, the P-61 Black Widow, which was known for taking care of business. We'll look at some German and Japanese aircraft. The Irving is very rare. And this plane is at the Udvar-Hazy Center, 30 miles west of DC, or 3 hours in traffic. These German planes are phenomenal. And again, it doesn't matter what you feel about the time or history, their innovations were amazing. This is the DO-335, 474 miles an hour with this Daimler-Benz engine. Not one, two propellers. I'll try to get you all, I apologize. The second one is back there. So I also have the Shinden. We have the Kawasaki, which still keeps killing young men. This is the Ki-45 Nick. Japanese anti-submarine plane. If you know about the Panama Canal on this one, please advise, because I've heard some interesting things. Notice, where are the propellers? This is the AR Blitz, the 234 from Germany. Love the pilots being able to see everything from them. The Owl, which was quite an interesting airplane, again, ahead of its time. We've got the George, the Butcher Bird over here. This one is world famous, of course. P-47 is wicked. These were built in Indiana. Many thousands of units built. I believe it was in Evansville, which is, of course, the home of baseball player and now manager Don Mattingly. And here is the grandest of them all, no matter how you view this event. That's right, the atomic bomb. The Enola Gay. Hiroshima. Gone, pretty much. Yeah, General LeMay or this, I don't know. What do you think would have been a better answer than this? For people of all sides. But I appreciate you all stopping by today and wish you well. Till the next time.